We all know that IKEA is great for affordability and functionality.
You know, this place looks great.
Oh, thanks, man. It's all IKEA. Did the whole place for $47.
Nice.
But sometimes it can leave your space looking the same as everyone else's. So today I want to talk about 7 different ways that you can personalize your IKEA furniture to just make it a little bit more unique and add a little bit of flair. So the first option is to prime and paint it. This works for literally everything. Beds, tables, chairs. It's amazing how much a little bit of paint can change the aesthetic of your furniture. Next up, furniture legs. This might seem like a small change, but I think it can really elevate how a piece looks. You can find a variety of furniture legs of different shapes, sizes, heights, and finishes online, like black, white, wood, round, square, metal, long, skinny, tall. What other adjectives can I think of? There's loads of shops that sell these legs online. It's perfect for things like sofas, beds, storage units, dressers. And once you've propped up your furniture with these beautiful custom legs, you can think about changing out the hardware. IKEA does offer a lot of hardware choices, but I think it's only like 5% of all the designs you can think of in the world. You can go onto shops like Etsy, AliExpress, Amazon. In my home, I've added brass-colored handles to my kitchen, my wardrobes, and my office cabinets, and I think they really do look a lot nicer. I'll link some of the products I personally bought and I'm really happy with in the video description below. If you have bought a piece of furniture from IKEA that happens to be solid wood, you can stain it. So the standard color that a lot of these pieces come in is a very raw, light colored pine wood material, I think. But you can go into any DIY store and buy basically a wood stain, so you can make it lighter, darker, black, brown. It is all limited by imagination. Now, if all of this painting and priming and staining sounds like too much effort for you, there is also another option. You can use contact paper. Contact paper is basically like a stick-on wallpaper, but for things that are not walls. And you just peel it off, put it on your surface. I have personally not tried this method myself, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos online about this process. So if the furniture doesn't belong to you, or you're not sure you want it to be a permanent change, you can also remove the contact paper afterwards. So the 6th method I have for customizing IKEA furniture is just by changing how the drawer fronts in your dressers or cupboards look. Standard texture on the IKEA furniture is very shiny, flat, and a little bit boring. So what you can do is glue on a lot of different wallpaper or fabrics or even pieces of wood just to give it a little bit more texture. I've seen so many people do so much cool things with this method. And last but not least, if you have some cabinets that's made of like see-through glass and you find that a little bit boring, you can also get these stick-on sheets and make your glass look like they are reeded glass. This is a great option if you want to give your cabinets a slightly high-end look. And plus, when these cabinets are not so see-through, it also makes all the content behind look a little bit less messy, which helps with reducing visual clutter. I hope you find these hacks helpful, and if you're interested to see how I'm implementing some of these things in my own apartment, be sure to watch this video here.